Hey guys, in this video we're checking out the MBRP single exit catback on the 2020 Tacoma. Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today I've got a 2020 Tacoma on the hoist. I've got a product offering from MBRP I want to show you, but first let's see what the factory sent us. So this is about as straightforward, as simple as you can get. You've got a front pipe, you've got a big muffler, you've got a small diameter mandrel bent tailpipe, and we've got this flare on the end that we've seen with Tacomas for many, many years now. This one's got to go. Let's get underneath here, see what MBRP has to offer. So as I always mention, MBRP is a compliant company, so of course the factory cats are going to stay. The factory Y pipe stays as well, and MBRP picks it up right here at this flange. You're going to see mandrel bent front pipe. We've got a tough as nails chambered 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet muffler. You've got a one-piece 3-inch mandrel bent tailpipe as well. You're going to notice we use all factory rubber hanger locations. We've included band clamps with every joint. And of course, we finish the system off with our stamped MBRP T304 stainless steel 4-inch exhaust tip. This system's all bolted up and ready to go. Let's get this truck outside. We're going to take it for a rip. All right guys, we got the Tacoma on the ground. Let's take it out, see what it sounds like on the highway. Mellow acceleration like we always do. You know, let the truck go through the gears, just do its own thing. My first note I would say is it's still an aggressive exhaust system for sure. I know I've got enough miles in it now that once we get into top gear and it gets into lockup, it's going to be mellow. But I would say creeping up through the gears and just let the truck lazily do its own thing. The Tacoma is still going to give you a deep, aggressive exhaust note. And when I say deep, I mean way deeper than the stock system for sure. There you have it. You know, we're locked up. We're cruising along 70 miles an hour. You easily can have this conversation with your friends, family in the car. You know, never impede the conversation. But at the same time, I would say it's definitely more than stock for sure. Now we start, you know, I throw a downshift in. It's got a really cool sound on the downshifts, so that's cool. I think what I'm going to do here is whip around and let you guys hear it at wide open throttle. There, I'll shut it down there. You know, it's got a great sound when you put your foot into it and you have some fun with your Tacoma. Definitely going to turn heads if anyone's standing outside while you accelerate away. But you've seen it on the hoist, super easy install. You know, everything's direct fit. You got that 4-inch polished stainless steel MBRP stamp tip. You know, basically, go online, check it out. You're going to look up part number 5338 and you're going to do that at MBRP.com.